my ads!
Give me,
Just...
Hey, yo, what up?
Justin Bieber, pre! Justin Bieber, pre! Pre, Justin Bieber!
Hoy!
Justin Bieber!
Just wait.
Justin Bieber!
Wait, just wait. Wait, look. I have ads on my iPad.
Tignan mo! Tignan mo setup niya doon!
B, wait lang, pre. Nagtataka ako, bakit may ads? Wala namang ads yun, ah. Naka-premium niya, pre.
Naka-premium siya, perform.
Oy, naka-live siya, pre. Sa Coachella, pre.
What's up? Hey, hey, me, it's you. I'ma tell you one day. I just tell you one day. I just tell you one day. Okay, pause it. What up, chat? Couldn't tell you what's up. Okay, just wait. Beauty in the Beast. Beauty. Wait, I don't know.
Justin Bieber. Hey.
Hey, what up?
JB.
Yo, what up?
JB.
Yo, what up? Don't move it like that. Don't move it like that. Okay, I gotta play.
Oy, po mo, ba't nandito ka? Di ba taga-US
Huwag mo
ka?
kumain mo rin.
Gusto ko Tagalog siya, pre!
I'm excited. I'm super fan. I'm believer. Ano yan? Karaoke?
Kay Ariana Grande to eh. Mali ito.
Tuloy, hindi marunong.
Ba't karaoke? Sinasabayan niya lang yung kanta niya nun, ah. Di ba?
I have an ads on YouTube. I don't have okay, I gonna move like that. Like that.
Kung naka-premium yun siya, kahit nga ano yun, kahit nagpe-play lang siya ng song, nag-adjust siya.
Bagal ang internet ang po.
Di ba mabilis ito yung
Bagal ang
internet sa'yo?
internet, gagi. Yeah. Young Money. Nicki Minaj.
Hindi ba siya? I'll show you up!
Tonight I wanna show you up. Ay, what you got?
Oo, siya.
Ang buhat bumuro ugat.
Pwede yata siya yun eh. Mental, hindi yata siya yun dun eh.
I'm Justin Bieber, I'm the singing the Justin Bieber, the baby. Zum. Wow. Wow.
Ay, may blending ba? May ano?
You know you love me. I know you care. You show me never. And I'll be there.
Justin.
You know my love. You know my heart. And we will never, ever.
Nag-beatbox pala siya? Justin Bieber! Pero bakit parang hindi siya si Justin Bieber?
Pre, siya yan, tinan mo yung suit, pre. Yung ganyan yung suit yung sa channel.
May tang-iansa pa.
Double happy friend.
Ikaw ba nagano nito dun sa baba?
Yeah.
Oo, pwede.
Because
Pwede ano, pakibasa.
Ito, nakakainit din siyang Tagalog.
yeah, I'm a universal artist in the world wide world. I know fucking 40 language in the earth. Man.
Chinilya.
Cochinillo. Hindi,
You know Coachella? You know, right, the Coachella?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm gonna perform in the Philippines right now. I'm gonna fly in the US and go to the Philippines. You know that?
Yeah, yes.
And then I'm gonna singing the Justin Bieber, the baby.
Can I ask a question? Hey, Justin Bieber, can I ask a question?
Why?
Why your hairline is so big?
Oh, don't say that. Putang.
Like Vegeta, ha?
You like a Vegeta, ha?
No.
You know what I mean? Can I request a song?
Yeah.
Beauty and the Beat, please. Beauty and the Beat, please. Yes. Cochinillo, ano yun? Lechon yan, oh. Pero okay lang, ayun, oh. Hey!
Young Money.
Yung mani, ha?
Justin, I'll show you up.
Go, Justin Bieber!
Tonight I wanna show you up.
Ay, pre! Kakatayin niya ng Daisies, pre! Kakatayin
What
niya
you
ng Daisies!
got?
Mag-switch siya ng boss.
Ayan na.
You never went the word of mine.
Saka, pre!
Yeah.
Wait lang, pre! Ba't naka-high notes?
Okay. This is the last song.
Daisies
You
na yan,
heard?
pre!
Ano yan, Daisies? Ayan yung pinaka-favorite ko na papanood Panaginipan ko yan, Justin Bieber!
Abang ka eh.
Ay, sorry.
Ano, masyado kang nagmamadali.
Sorry, Justin Bieber. Pakibilisan mo naman yung Daisies, Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber, kailangan pang autograph.
Diyan, autograph.
May ads pa talaga oh. Wait. Here? Did you hear?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna right in your face, man. Okay. Hey!
Sige, kantay
Hey!
mo na.
Your
Uy,
pen to pen.
kantay mo na. May ads ka kasi,
Okay.
kaya
I have
natatagal eh.
ads.
Spike ready na.
Ano yun?
Rex ako na po.
Hey! Pre, panapos na yan, pre! JB! Ayun, pre, panapos nyo!
Yo!
Ganyan na ganyan yung pre, ayan o!
Yo, what up? Coachella! Coachella! I love you.
Hindi niya kinakanta.
I love you. See you soon. Goodbye. Thank you so much, Coachella.